Where did we come from? What is consciousness? Instinct comes through life. Without any training or knowledge learning. The transmission of telepathy between twin sisters may have an interior link. Consciousness transcends space-time, beyond the speed of light. The ultra-distant interactions of quantum entanglement do not take time. Although the quantum state of each particle cannot be described independently, the quantum state of the other particle changes immediately when one particle is measured, no matter how far apart. Like a prophet cannot foresee the outcome of a human mind's decision. In the world of consciousness and quantum system, the result determines the initiative. A quantum entity is either wave or a particle. Means randomness or uncertainty in the micro world. The delayed choice quantum eraser experiment reveals the mysterious time-traveling phenomena. Photon B manifests as a particle once a detector was placed. That results in photon A behaves as a particle instead of wave. If the detector is placed for photon B in a delayed time, photon A will behave as a particle instead of wave predictably. This means the future interference of photon B determines photon A as a particle or a wave. In the meanwhile, if the detector is removed, photon A will manifest as wave instead of a particle immediately. The experiment shows the reverse of the past or prediction of the future. Could we really have a predictable future? Could we really change the past? The destiny of the world is not solely based upon logical reasoning. The randomness of mind and the uncertainty of the micro world may result in an unpredictable future. The parallel universe theory describes the multidimensional worlds. Since the quantum states keep equilibrium whenever the measurement performed or not, it indicates the same logic of causality in the universe. Our universe demonstrates philosophic organicism, as the Absolute Spirit interprets the purpose of the God. We may speculate the interior interference is from another world. That could be dark matter and dark energy. The M theory described 12-dimensional spacetimes. Since the human senses can only recognize the physical appearance, agnosticism emphasizes the limitations of conscious cognition. Analytical psychology figured out the secrets of consciousness. Individual consciousness comes from the collective unconsciousness. Instincts stem from the collective unconsciousness that consists of universal, heritable elements common to all humans. The brain influenced by an abstraction of the impersonal physical layer of common physiology among all humans. One ever observed the tale of the sun described in the ancient Greek record. Zen has the Superman power in the deep meditation. The practitioner of yoga dream can reach unconsciousness and assimilate into common unconsciousness in different layers. A brain neurologist recalled after her left brain apoplexy, she ascended into an omnipotent state. Certain meditator alleged the ability of insight into everything. Philosopher describes human being as the caveman. The real world can only be conjectured by the light from the outside. The mystery of quantum entanglement is still under investigating. Although quantum mechanics has come into the practical application, anyone who proclaims knowing quantum mechanics actually doesn't make sense. The string theory states the material world is ultimately composed of string. String is vibrating energy that comprises the world. And the 12-dimensional spacetimes are isolated by brains. Only gravity can be perceived through different spacetimes. Modern physics found no way to investigate consciousness. One possibility is that dark matter and dark energy connected to the other spacetimes. Will our consciousness be transformed into the other universe? Or we could finally escape from the bundling of the material world. When the consciousness detaches from matter, mind separated from the personality, ego becomes universe. This is a kind of immortality. Life is the representation of the universality. The collective unconsciousness is the world of God. We bless life and consciousness transcends space and time, and assimilate into the eternal existence of the Absolute Spirit.